Coming in from the DGCA with regards to the crash that has taken place. In fact, at 7 o'clock this evening is when we're given to understand that the flight had basically taken off from Ranchi airport and disappeared thereafter. This was immediately after the chartered flight had taken off, is when the flight had disappeared from the radar. This was around Latehar Palimu area is when the flight had disappeared. ATC was unable to locate the chartered ambulance. In fact, the preliminary information suggests that 5 people were basically on board the chartered ambulance. With regards to what's the condition of those who were on board, it's still not known at this point in time. In fact, DGCA in all likelihood would be putting out a statement anytime now, where in all likelihood we are now given to understand the indication coming in is that the flight had disappeared and had crashed. They've cited bad weather being a part of the first information report now coming in. In fact, 5 people were on board the chartered ambulance is what we can confirm. We'll try and see if we can go across to Harsha getting us the latest details. On your screens right now, these are the images that we've just got from sources right now. In fact, from the very place where the crash has taken place. Harsha is joining us on this broadcast. Harsha, you've spoken to the DGCA. Walk us through the details that you're picking up. What time did the incident take place? And have they basically cited what's the reason?
So the reason has been not cited, but the investigation report is telling us that it was a bad weather. The charter ambulance took off from the Ranchi airport of Jharkhand at around 7 o'clock for national capital Delhi. It was supposed to reach at Delhi at around 9 o'clock, but at around 8 o'clock it disappeared from the flight radar system, and ATC was unable to locate exactly where this charter ambulance was. There were 5 people. There were 7 people on board this charter ambulance. There were 5 passengers, and there were two pilots, one pilot and one pilot in command in the particular charter ambulance, and all are seem to be dead now because the locals have gathered there. It is exactly Shawan, the Simyara police station area of the Jharkhand. It's not much far in the flight radar area in the Jharkhand, exactly in Latehar Palamu area. First, the aircraft got disappeared, and after that, in some time, the ATC told the DGCA that they are not able to locate this particular charter ambulance. And then, after some time, the local police have gathered over that area. After the locals told that they heard a huge noise, and upon reaching the location, the poplar and the remains of the aircraft, along with the engine and the different metal pieces, could also be seen at the spot. It's the forest area in Jharkhand, that particular area, Chatra area, which we are speaking about right now. It's the forest area, very dense area where the locals have gathered in large number. The police was immediately called upon, and DGCA is sharing the statement shortly. Exactly what were the reason? Basically, Shaman, the investigation will be carried out. There will be probe in this entire matter, that what were the reasons behind this charter ambulance crash in the Jharkhand. But the initial information which we have received is that because of the bad weather condition, when the flight took off from the when the charter ambulance took off from the Ranchi airport, at that particular moment only, the visibility was very low. And upon reaching at the 40,000 flight level in the air, apparently the weather conditions were very drastic, and which led to this crash. This is the prelim information which we have been told by the authorities, but yet the entire investigation will be carried out. But for now, no person in this charter ambulance seems to be alive. They all seem to be dead, and therefore the team will also be reaching shortly there to see if they know whatever the remains they can collect from the spot. Basically, the police team is already at the spot. The officials from the airport will also be reaching the spot very soon. But these are the first visuals on Republic TV. There are many visuals now which are being gathering on the social media from this particular charter area of the Jharkhand. And this is the Simria police station area, exactly, which has been told by the locals to us. And what we are learning is that we are waiting for the DGCA detailed report to be shared with us. But these are the first visuals on the Republic screen, which we are right now